Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is how to use CapCut on mobile device. Follow these steps. Download and install. Visit the App Store iOS or Google Play Store Android on your mobile device. Search for CapCut and download the app developed by. So open the app. Once installed, open the CapCut app. Create a new project. When you open the app, you will have the option to create a new project. Tap on New Project to start. Import media. To edit a video, tap on the Import button to add videos, photos, and music from your device gallery. Up Editing tool. After importing your media, you will have access to various editing tools such as trim, split, cut, speed adjustment, filter, transition, text overlay, and more. Add effect and transition. You can apply a filter, effect, and transition to enhance your video. Tap on the elements you want to add and adjust their setting as needed. Certainly, here are some more tips. Remember, CapCut is a versatile video editing app that offers a range of features to help you create engaging and professional looking video on your mobile device. As you continue to use the app, you will likely discover new techniques and features that can enhance your video editing skill. Certainly, here are a few more tips and tricks for using CapCut on mobile devices. Color correction and filter. CapCut provides option for color correction and applying filter to enhance the visual appeal of your video. Experiment with this setting to achieve the desired look. Layering and overlay. You can overlay images, stickers, or text on top of your video. This is useful for adding logos, watermarks, or additional visual elements. Reverse and mirror effect. CapCut allows you to reverse video clips and apply mirror effect. This creative option can add a unique touch to your video. Explore presets. Export presets. If you frequently export videos with specific settings, such as for Instagram or YouTube, you can create and save export preset to streamline the process. Background remover. Some advanced video editing apps adjust audio. You can adjust the audio volume of your video clip and add background music. Tap on the audio icon to access these options. Timeline editing. The timeline at the bottom of the screen displays your video sequence. Drag and drop media elements to arrange them in the desired order. Preview your project. Use the play button to preview your editing video before exporting. Once you are satisfied with your edited Edit tap on the export button, choose the export settings such as video resolution and quality. Save and share. After exporting, you can save the video to your device gallery and share it on social media platforms. Keep in mind that CapCut interface and feature might evolve over time, so it's a good idea to explore the app and in various options to fully utilize its capabilities. Additionally, the steps provided above offer a general guideline for using CapCut on mobile device. The exact step might vary slightly based on the app updates and your device operating system. So these are the step how you can use CapCut on both Android and iPhone. On the app, you will have the option to create a new project. Tap on New Project to start. So the next step will be import media. To edit a video, tap on the video. So select the video from the gallery and edit it. Editing tool. After importing your media, you will have access to various editing tools such as trim, split, cut, speed, adjustment, filter, transition, text, overlay, and more. Add effect and transition. You can apply filter, effect, and transition to enhance your video. Tap on the elements you want to add and adjust their setting as needed. Certainly, here are some more detail about using CapCut on mobile phones. Advanced editing feature. CapCut offers advanced editing features such as layering, keyframe animation, and the ability to customize video and audio transition. Advanced editing features. CapCut offers advanced editing features such as layering, keyframe animation, and the ability to customize video and audio transition. CapCut and trim. To cut or trim a video clip, select the clip on the timeline, then use the handles at the beginning and end of the clip to adjust its duration. Speed adjustment. You can speed up or slow down video clips by selecting the clip and adjusting the speed setting. This can create intersecting effect or help match the pacing of your video. Keyframe animation. You can add keyframes to control changes in properties like position, scale, and capacity over time. This allows for more precise animation effect. Sticker and effect. Explore the app library of sticker emojis and effects that you can add to your video. These elements can enhance your visual storytelling. Background music. Add background music by selecting the music option. You can use music for CapCut's library or import your own audio files. Export format. When exporting your video, CapCut allows you to choose the output format and quality. You can also choose the aspect ratio for specific social media platform. Project management. You can save and manage multiple projects within CapCut. This allows you to work on various videos without losing your progress. Undo and redo. CapCut provides undo and redo button to correct a mistake or reward changes you have made during the editing process. Keyboard shortcut. On iOS device that support external keyboard, you can choose certain keyboard shortcuts to enhance your editing workflow. For example, you can use Command plus Z for undo. So the on 23 in app tutorials explore online resources, color correction and filter, layering and overlay, reverse and mirror effect, export presets, background remover, audio editing, syncing audio and videos, fine-tuning transitions, voiceovers, green screen effect, export multiple version, storage management, backup your work, and enjoy the process. Text and titles, adjust audio, timeline, editing, preview your project, export your videos, save and share. So these are the functions of all CapCuts. So used in mobiles and iOS device.